Dear students, in this lecture we will discuss what type of literary device has been used in the poem The Mosquito written by D.H. Lawrence. Before going to discuss the literary device that has been employed in this poem, I would like to recall you people that this poem is basically a direct conversation between the poet and the mosquito. The poet begins with some questions in the mind of the poet to mosquito, or we can say that there arises a conflict between the poet and the master in this poem. I have explained this poem to you in detail, stanza by stanza. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss what type of literary device has been used in this poem. Dear students, the foremost or the important device that has been employed, that has been used in this poem here is humor. So, it is a hilarious poem. It begins on a humorous note, as the poet describes the master as Monsieur. So it begins on a humorous note. So it starts with a humor because the poet here conversates with the master as Monsieur. Monsieur means Mr. in English. Dear students, the expressions used to describe the master are humorous because they are exaggerated comparisons. They are here exaggerated comparisons. For example, exaggerate comparison means बड़ा चढ़ा के जिनको हम पेश किया जाए. For example, phantom, master. So it is here expression phantom, winged victory, aura, anesthetic power, sorcerer, pain. So these are exaggerated comparisons given to master. So these words indicate that it is a hilarious poem, or humor is we can say humor has been incorporated in this poem. Dear students, besides humor, one more device, that's metaphor, which has been used in this poem. For example, you know what's metaphor? Metaphor is basically a direct comparison. Here master has been called you phantom. Phantom, you know, it's a ghost. You winged victory, you streaky sorcerer, magician जिसको हम कहते हैं. So here most has been compared, directly compared. Phantom, winged victory, streaky sorcerer. So these are here the examples of metaphor in this poem. Dear students, simile has also been incorporated in this poem. For example, you know what is simile? Simile is an indirect comparison. So here is the example from the poem, like a slogan. This is the example of simile from a poem. Dear students, beside a simile, allusion has also been used as a literary device in this poem. For example, winged victory. You know what's allusion? Allusion is a direct comparison. Sorry, we can say that allusion is a reference, whether given, whether direct or indirect reference. When you refer a thing or a person or an object directly or indirectly to some other thing, okay, that's called allusion. So here winged victory, that means master has been referred to winged victory, so it is here as an example of allusion. I have already discussed it in the previous lectures what's allusion. One more we can say literary device that has been employed, that has been used in this poem is oxymoron. I think it may be a new term for you people. Dear students, oxymoron is an we can say it's a literary device. What it is basically, it is basically a combination of words that have opposite or very different meanings. So combination of words that have opposite or very different meanings. Dear student, for example, cruel, kindness. These are the two words having different meanings. Cruel, kindness. Okay. Loving, hatred. Got it? So words that have contradictory meanings, or we can say different meanings. From this poem, oxymoron, we can say the example of oxymoron is suspended transport. Suspended means which has been stopped, and transport means which is in motion. Here we can say that suspended transport. So these two words have contradictory meaning or two different meanings. So these are the examples of oxymoron uh, that has been used as an literary device in this poem. So hope you might have got this lecture where I discussed with you about the literary devices. So stay safe, stay well. Thank you very much.